And now, who can tell me the group number 1? Who are the victims? Oh, sorry. Who are the first two students who want to answer the question? What is communicable disease? With easy English, forgive my English, okay? Okay, who will answer it? Then I will check the student. And next turn, is okay. Either one is okay. Well, you are smart, you know, airborne or waterborne or foodborne. That's a different issue. I will explain the foodborne disease later. And could you give me an example? Because the next unit will be next student, your partner. Yeah, disease. COVID. Okay, that's good. That's communicable. That is not related to the nutrition or nutrient. You're right. Okay, next. So, Hazar, you here? Okay, and next. The next student in group 1. Give me a disease name. Sorry, I know some of you can read the Chinese, read the Mandarin, but someone is looking at me. I cannot speak the Mandarin during the class. Okay, so English only, but you can use any language as you want. How about let me skip this one. Let's go to the group 2. Group 2. Okay, who can give me an example in group 2 about communicable disease? Here. Okay. If you're not familiar with this, you can check a dictionary. Okay, group number 2. Who want to answer? Victim number 1. You see me? In the past 50 to 100 years, it was a serious problem about the lung cancer, not the lung cancer, the lung disease. Okay, good. You're here. And next victim, sorry, next member of group number 2. Actually, you just raised your hand. Do you have any answer? At this moment, you can check the cell phone for any answer. Because the purpose is now I want to encourage you to speak something, to say something. You can use your cell phone anytime. Okay, next one. Who can give me another answer? Just some sense. Tuberculosis still in Taiwan, maybe less than 100 disease cases in Taiwan. It's still a serious problem. So okay, who can give me another answer here? Group number 2. Yep. Yep. No. Give me an answer about the communicable disease. For example, that is. Okay. Okay, group number 3. Who is the first victim? So, what's your answer? About this question. What is? Give me examples about communicable disease. HIV. Good. It's a good example through the Sexual behavior. Okay, good. So you are Donna. Doma. Your name? Doma. Okay. Doma. Oh. So where is your name? Here. Okay, you are done. And next victim, who will answer it? Yep. HIV. Okay. Can you have different example because some people answered it. Influenza. Good. Okay. And so where are you here? Group 4. Oh, it's okay. Group 4. So sorry, I forgot your name here. Back. Okay. Good. And how about one student from group number 3? One more example. Chicken butt. Good. So you are here, Rada. Okay. And how about the second victim from group 4? Sorry, group 4. Next, in group 4. Anyone? So, what's your answer? Can you spell? Sorry, I don't know the term. Type. Typhimurian is so I didn't know too many. Okay. Oh yeah, you're right. Typhus is a kind of okay. So as I know, it is related to the diarrhea, the kind of bad disease. Typhus. Okay. Thank you. But in Taiwan, there has no any typhus cases in many years. But we have the salmonella, the kind of food intoxication. Okay, and so what's your name here? Sorry. Number 3. Oh, here. Okay, thanks. So you have 3 students answered in group number 3. Okay, that's okay. Okay, let me switch to the next issue. And then let's go back here. We are in the part of definition. So what is sugars? What is sugars? Sugars means all monosaccharides and disaccharides present in food. So for you may confuse with the term saccharides. Who already know this term saccharides? Who already know this term saccharides? Okay, I know it's a good chance because my background is about biochemistry. We need to memorize this term. Saccharides is another term, scientific term to say sugar. Saccharides is saccharides, not a saccharides. Is saccharides, and saccharides is another term in scientific way to say sugar. And sugar means all mono. Mono means single, just one. Di means 2. For example, we know a compound called carbon dioxide. Di means 2. Okay, monosaccharide. Can someone give me an example about monosaccharide? And someone can give me an example about disaccharides. Okay, 3 minutes for group discussion. What is monosaccharides? Okay, glucose. It belongs to monosaccharide or disaccharide. So can you explain a little bit more about glucose in monosaccharide? Actually, you already answered once, I know. Sorry. How about reserve the chance to next student since they yet to answer it? I know you know that's okay. It's okay. Okay, students who yet to answer that, raise your hand. I try to collect all students, say something, at least one sentence in a class. You can discuss with each other and give me the answer. Remember, this part is 0%. It's not related to your score. So don't feel stressed, don't feel nervous. Okay. Give me examples for about monosaccharide and disaccharide. So, Jocelyn, could you give me an example about either monosaccharide or disaccharide? Give me an example. You can check it with your cell phone. Give me an example about disaccharide. Hello Siri, what is disaccharide? No. And 聚苷 or Christine. Lactose. Okay, good. Lactose is a good example. And my question is, lactose, it belongs to disaccharide or monosaccharide? Disaccharide. Okay, good. Okay, just stop here. I promise that only one sentence is enough. So, you are here, Christine. And next. Just tell you, when I was a junior student, the third year at college, we need to memorize 3 types of monosaccharide. 1 minute, please. We need to memorize 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 4 kinds of disaccharides, and we need to draw the chemical structure. But you don't need to, because your major is business. It's about economics. You don't need to remember that. Okay, so. You answer glucose, fructose. Good. Okay, so is fructose a disaccharide or a monosaccharide? Monosaccharide. Okay. So your name is I forgot. You are. So where are you? Sorry, I forgot your name. Group 4. So. Oh, okay. Okay, just one check. Okay. Then next, you have done that. Okay. Reserve the chance to other students. I know you're active. I like active students. Okay. And next, student, you didn't answer that. Please raise your hand. And next week will be a holiday, but continue to next week. I try to list all questions on my website. Then you can prepare the answers in advance. Is it okay? Is it okay? And let me check. Actually, this student, Huang Yu. Okay. Give me an answer. An example about what is monosaccharide or disaccharide? Because some students said glucose, fructose, lactose, and we still have another answer. Could you give me one? Check the dictionary about the definition. And student who yet to answer, please raise your hand. Give me an example. Excuse me? Please give me examples. What's the one example? What is monosaccharide? Example of disaccharide. Good. That is called glucose. Glucose. Okay. And can you say that again? Sugar actually, one minute please. We call candy sugar, cane sugar, but the main compound in scientific name is called sucrose. Okay, good. It's disaccharide or monosaccharide? It's disaccharide. Yeah. Okay, good. So what's your name here? This one. Okay. Because there are still 5 choices for this answer. Anyone yet to answer? Please raise your hand. Yep. Louder. Okay, let's call the lactose. Okay, good. But someone answered it. Just a hint to you. Lactose has 2 units. One is A, the other is B. The A is called glucose. Someone answered it. The other is called. Did you get it? Okay, anyone? Again, I try to encourage every student to say something, at least one sentence in a class, because in the U.S. you will be asked to answer something. Okay, go ahead. Fructose. Okay, what's your name here? This one. Okay, thanks. Okay, I try to remember every student. Maltose, okay. Anyone know what is about maltose? Maltose. It's about it's from barley. It's from barley, and the kind of barley will generate the enzymes to catalyze the starch into sugars, especially maltose, and to make beers. So sorry. Are you this one, Jocelyn? Okay, good. Okay, let me switch to next question. Thus, sugar it means all monosaccharide because the basic unit of the monosaccharide is 6 carbons. 6 carbons, and disaccharide is 6 carbons plus 6 carbons. You don't need to memorize those in knowledge because your background is not like this. But however, if you want to learn more, you can check the Wikipedia or check some scientific website. The definition of monosaccharide, disaccharide, and one more question: What is polysaccharide? Sorry, my writing is so horrible. What is a polysaccharide? In American accent, it's called a poly. In British accent, it's called a poly. Yeah, you're right, but I cannot speak in Mandarin. Mono means one or single. Di means 2. Poly means a lot of. Who can give me example at least 3 examples, 4 examples, 5 examples in human body, in natural plants about polysaccharide. You're right, but you already answered it. Keep the chance for other students. Catch it? Sorry, you already answered it, right? Okay. Yang Jingkun, is he or she here? No? Okay, let me. Okay, and Huang Yuyou, did you answer it? No? Could you give me an example about polysaccharides? There are several famous examples about polysaccharides. You can check it in your cell phone now, and you give me the answer. And who did it? Victoria? Victoria? No. And Ayaka Mukai. Could you give me an example about the polysaccharide? Starch, good. Starch. Starch, S-T-R-C-H, starch, okay. And Lunahilata. Sorry, when I read the R, the R in Japanese read like an L. It's different, okay. Could you give me an answer? Besides the starch, any different answers? Check it. Okay. And Kong Wei Chen. Okay. How about your answer about polysaccharide? Give me an example. Okay. Sorry, I didn't catch it. Chicogen. Sorry, how do you spell? Oh, okay. Glycogen. Okay, glycogen. Oh, yeah. Sorry. Okay, glycogen is we call it starch in human liver. When we eat enough starch foods, and our body will digest and assemble the kind of starch or glucose into glycogen in our liver. When we need to run, we need to exercise. The first choice is the sugar. The polysaccharide is from our liver. It's called the liver sugar. The official name is glycogen. Okay, thank you. So you are here. And okay, almost every student answered it. Okay, let me switch to the next. And let me show you here. This part is important, but not it's a little bit hard for you. CFR is the US regulation number system. 21 is focusing on food and drug regulations. And more of you will go to the US for your study. So you have the chance to understand the American regulation system. If you download the original file, you can click here. Then we will connect to the official website. And 101.9 C 6 and 2. And that is the branch of the regulation. The definition here, total sugar shall be defined as the sum of all free mono and disaccharides, such as glucose, fructose, lactose, and sucrose. Actually, maltose, some students gave me the good answer here. And the text is in red, I wrote it. Therefore, the definition of sugar and total sugar is identical among those three entities. What are the three? The Codex, Taiwan government, and US government. And the Codex guidelines do not define carbohydrates. And the information on Taiwan and US is added here. Okay, so that's it. Let me go ahead. The regulation from Taiwan, the title is Taiwan Regulations on Nutrition Labeling for Prepackaged Food. The definition here, carbohydrate, namely saccharides, the sum of carbohydrates. Okay, carbohydrates, this term for some of you are strange. Carbo, C-A-R-B-O, hydrate, H-Y-D-R-A-T-E, it means water. It means water. Carbo is carbon. It means carbon. C-A-R-B-O, and the N is missing. Hydrate means water, and it's the compound of water and carbon together. And okay, here the definition is from the U.S. And here, that's information from carbohydrates. The website Medline Plus NIH is quoted below and is clear and understandable. Let me explain it, then I ask your help to search this website from your cell phone. Okay, let me explain first. Carbohydrates or carbs, I believe more of you are familiar with this term, carbs, C-A-R-B-S, are sugar molecules along with proteins and fats. Carbohydrates are one of the three main nutrients found in food and drinks. Again, carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, they are big molecules and they offer energy for human. It's different from the vitamins, the minerals. Vitamins and minerals is called micronutrients. The definition of micronutrients is that is essential to human, but they will not bring any energy to human. Okay. Your body breaks down carbohydrates into glucose. Glucose or blood sugar is the main source of energy for your body cells, tissues, organs. Glucose can be used immediately or stored in the liver and muscle for later use. Okay, and I want to teach you about scientific writing. One skill is when I use the texts from this website, did you observe it? I check the term become italic. Italic. Can you catch it? For example, I'm not the person who wrote these sentences. I copy and paste the texts from this website. Thus, I set the texts into italic. Can you catch it? Italic, it means the text in this direction. It's not about in Italy, it's different concept. Italic. Okay. So okay, come on. Show your cell phone and check the Medline Plus NIH and check carbohydrate here. We still have a little bit of time. Have your cell phone and search Medline Plus NIH. Why I introduce this website to you? Because it's the information on this website is good. It's official source and it's the general science label. And in the future, if you need any information about nutrition, about food science, this kind of website from US government are good sources for you. Okay, if you check here, for example, if I want to know the iron, I-R-O-N, and check. Okay, there are a lot of information about the iron. If I want to know something about the calcium, C-A-L-C-I-U-M, calcium, just type calcium, and we can read the information. The kind of information is for general science, not specific for biology or chemistry science. So don't worry, the English here is easy and understandable. And if I want to know something about polysaccharides, and you can search something here. Okay, and close to the end of this class, I have a question. If you didn't answer yet, please try to answer my question. What is the copyright of this website? What is the copyright of this website? Remember, one of the important issues in our class is here. Oh, where is that? One of our important issue is copyright here. Sorry, here. Copyright or open licenses. So if you are not answering the answers yet, please let me know and tell me your answer. What is the copyright of this website? Okay, I think most of you. Could you give me an answer? Remember, only encouragement, no enforcement, no punishment. Okay, what is the copyright of this website? You don't need to answer. I know. Just keep the chance for other students. Okay. Copyrighted or different copyright? I know it's not related to the food and nutrition, but the concept is really, really important. Because in the future, if you need to write your paper, write your articles, do your research, when you cite, when you use any reference from this website, you need to know, yeah, go ahead. You're right. You are close to the core of the concept. But however, this is a little different. Okay. 1 minute, please. Generally, you can check the copyright of this.